Can you put LED strip lights on metal? Can you put LED strip lights on every type of surface or metal? If the metal is galvanized steel, then you can put LED strip lights on them as long as the surface is clean, dry, and you have the right type of adhesive. You can also put LED strip lights on aluminum, chrome-plated steel, and other metal surfaces that are painted. But if it's a metallic surface that's not painted, then you will have problems with the LED strip lights. If you are looking to install LED strip lights on metal, then there are some considerations that will help you determine if this is possible, and how it should be done. To use LED strip lights on metal, here are a few things to consider. 1. Let's see the type of metal surface you can put LED strip lights on. Galvanized steel. Galvanized steel is the most common type of metal that you can put LED strip lights on. This surface has an additional coating to protect it from rusting. So long as the surface is clean and dry, you can put LED strip lights on galvanized steel without any problems. Aluminum. Aluminum is another metal that you can put LED strip lights on. It has the advantage of being lightweight and relatively cheap to purchase, which is why you're likely to this type of metal in your space. But it can be prone to corrosion. That's why you should always take extra care when putting LED strip lights on aluminum so that the surface is clean and dry. Chrome-plated steel and other metal surfaces that are painted. You can put LED strip lights on chrome-plated steel and other metal surfaces that are painted. But the LED strip lights will only stick to a clean surface, so make sure you wipe down the surface before you install the LED strip lights. Type of metal you cannot put LED strip lights on. Metallic materials that aren't painted. Metallic materials that aren't painted are typically made out of copper, brass, or other metals. You can usually tell this because the metal isn't a uniform color, but rather has a golden or brown tint to it. You can also not put LED strip lights on any metal that is in the process of corroding. The corrosion will have stripped away the protective coating from the surface, which defeats the purpose of putting LED strip lights on it. You need to keep the surface clean and dry, otherwise, you run the risk of corrosion happening again after you install the LED strip lights. The bottom line is, you can't put LED strip lights on metallic materials that aren't painted. If the surface isn't clean and dry, the LED strip lights won't adhere properly. 2. Type of LED strip light adhesive. It is important to use LED strip lights that are designed specifically for metal surfaces. These lights come with a special type of adhesive, and they can be glued directly to the metal. You will need to ensure that your strip light is rated for use on a metal surface through the product description or through the manufacturer's website. If you want to mount the LED strip lights on metal, then there is a special type of tape that can be used for this purpose. You will need to use a metal tape that comes with adhesive backs and is compatible with LED strip lights. For more on this, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.